My personal hygiene tips for everyday life. Did you know some of your body parts are the breeding ground for bacteria and can cause severe infections? Practicing good hygiene is integral for a healthy body. It keeps you clean, presentable, and away from many illnesses. Many women bathe themselves regularly, cut their nails, and brush their teeth. However, they overlook the cleanliness of a few body parts which are not cleaned during regular bath. These body parts need extra attention and hygiene to keep you squeaky clean and away from all disease-causing germs. If you're curious to know which body parts need extra attention and proper way to clean them, then keep watching this video. Today, I'll talk about 10 body parts you are not cleaning enough. Number 1. Scalp. Oily, itchy, and flaky scalp? That's because you are not washing it correctly. I'm sure you wash your hair with a great shampoo that leaves your hair clean, bouncy, and smells pleasant. But what about your scalp? Is it clean too? Many women rub the shampoo on their hair, lather, and then rinse it. Our scalp doesn't get washed up enough. This in return leads to the piling up of dead cells which attract bacteria and mites. The proper way to wash the scalp is to use lukewarm water and massage your scalp in a circular motion. It will remove the buildup of sebum, dirt, and dead cells and improve blood circulation. Number 2. Back. Sure, your back gets wet enough during a warm shower, but it doesn't get enough soap to be squeaky clean. The proper way to clean your back is to use a bath scrubber twice or thrice a week. This becomes extremely important if you hit the gym or run. The sweat dries up on your back, and if not cleaned thoroughly, it can cause itching, dry skin, or redness. Also, make sure to turn your back towards the shower to remove the remnants of soap after you have scrubbed it. The next body part that requires your attention is your pretty fingernails. Number 3. Fingernails. I am crazy about long nails. They look super stylish, and how can we forget the classy nail art you can pull off on them? But did you know the skin under our nail is the favorite place for bacteria to have their little party? The dirt gets stuck under our nails and is not cleaned while bathing. The bacteria and dirt pile up over time and slowly decay our nail bed. Plus, the appearance of dirt on nails looks gross. The best way to clean your fingernails is to dip them in lukewarm water for a few minutes. After that, use a soft nail brush to gently remove all the debris. Number 4. Back of the neck. Yup, the back of the neck is often overlooked when it comes to cleaning. Our hair covers up the back of the neck. This makes the neck's backside warm, sweaty, and the perfect area for body mites to feast on. You must wash the back of the neck daily to prevent rashes, infections, or discolored skin. Lather the soap or a mild body wash and cleanse it properly to wash off all the dirt. And trust me on this, you'll feel instantly relaxed after washing the back of your neck. Sounds weird, right? But it works for me. Number 5. Behind your ears. Throw away those Q-tips. They are not suitable for your ears. Did you know that Q-tips push the earwax towards your eardrum, which is detrimental for you? So refrain from using the Q-tips. Instead, take a small napkin, wet it with warm water, wrap it around your index finger, and clean your ears. This will remove the flaky skin and dirt. And don't forget to clean the skin behind your ears. The area behind your ears becomes oily, which absorbs dirt and germs. With time, that area starts to smell obnoxious. Hence, make sure to clean it frequently. Use soapy water to gently cleanse the area behind your ears. Number 6. Toes and bottom of feet. The bottom of the feet is often the most neglected part of our hygiene regime. Whether we are walking barefoot or with shoes, our feet collect a lot of dirt. In the summertime, they also become sweaty. If you wear socks or closed shoes to work every day, you need to pay extra attention to this body part. Or else the dirt that accumulates under your feet will make your feet smell really bad. Moreover, excess sweating can even lead to fungal infections. Soak your feet in warm soapy water for a few minutes. Take a pumice stone and gently rub it under your feet to get rid of dead skin cells. Next, take a towel and clean the skin between your toes. Wash your feet with clean water, pat them dry and gently massage them with a moisturizing lotion to keep the skin soft and healthy. Number 7. Belly button. Regular showers with floral body washes do not clean the belly button. This body part requires extra attention and effort. The tiny belly button can be the dirtiest part of your body. Experts say that a belly button dark and moist area is the perfect area for more than 60 types of germs to reside. Simply use a wet towel wrapped around your finger to clean your belly button. Number 8. Teeth. People brush their teeth after waking up, but a good majority of them go to bed without brushing their teeth. The tiny food particles are stuck between the teeth, and when we sleep, our mouth dries up due to lack of saliva. The food particles begin to rot and give a horrible smell. Ideally, you should brush your teeth after every meal and after waking up in the morning. I forgot to mention the one significant benefit of brushing your teeth. It gives you the confidence to flash your dazzling smile to the world. Imagine smiling and your yellow teeth showing up. Not a good sight to behold, right? Hence, never retire to bed before brushing your teeth. Number 9. Tongue. Surprised to see this body part here? Well, not going to lie, I was surprised too when I first heard about cleaning the tongue. But what surprised me more was the fact that bad breath often results due to an unclean tongue. I'm sure you know how horrible it is to have a bad breath. But cleaning your tongue can leave your mouth fresh and prevent bad breath. Wet a soft toothbrush and gently use it to clean your tongue. You can also use the tongue cleaner behind the toothbrush for cleaning. And while we are talking about oral hygiene and health, let's not forget about using mouthwash. It will help you get rid of germs and keep your breath fresh. Number 10. Elbow. A quick question. How many surfaces do your elbow touches in a day? Think about your day. Your elbow comes in contact with your bed, work desk, coffee counter, elevator, and the list goes on. Elbow is one of the most overlooked body part for cleaning. Our elbows become dry and discolored into a tough black patch with time. So while bathing, use a soft brush or loofah to remove the dirt from your elbows. After bathing, apply a lotion or a good moisturizing cream to avoid forming creases on the elbow. Repeat the step twice or thrice a week to get smooth and soft elbows. Number 11. Corners of your nose. Oil, dirt, and pollution damage the skin and make it prone to acne and other skin diseases. The corners of our nose collect dust and sebum. It leads to acne, marks, and clogged pores. To prevent your skin from breaking out, always use a gentle face wash and massage the corners of your nose. Rinse your face and rub a small ice cube over your face to close the pores. Icing makes your skin firm, reduces fine lines, and makes the absorptions of serums and moisturizer better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, colleagues, and family members. Which tip in this video was new for you? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any special requests for the video, do let me know in the comments.